Is your Ford Ranger failing to turn over when you turn the key? Statistically, 70% of starting issues on these trucks are simple electrical faults. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get you back on the road. Start by ensuring your battery terminals are clean and the ground cables are securely attached. If the battery is fine, the starter solenoid or a bad ground wire are your next most likely suspects. Don't ignore the neutral safety switch, which often prevents the engine from cranking if it's acting up. You can handle simple connection issues at home, but internal starter faults usually require a professional. Most repairs are affordable, though a full starter replacement will hit the wallet a bit harder. For advanced testing, grab your multimeter to confirm the battery is holding a true 12 volts. Keep a basic socket set and a wire brush in your truck to handle these common electrical issues. Always remember, never force the starter if you smell burning insulation or see smoke. Check your connections first, and you will likely be back on the road in no time.